Welcome back to iOcean USA Tito Tatute. In this video, I will show you how my husband renovate an old bench or how to restore a garden bench. So this is my old bench from my garden. First step, remove nuts and bolts and take off the rotten slots. English. Slots pala ang bulok na kahoy. So, ito na. Nakabili na kami agad ni Habi ng panibagong kahoy. Siyempre, para smooth, kailangan nating lihain sa dulo dahil kinat lang ni Habi yan. Ang gagamitin natin dito, sandpaper. Next step, kailangan i-testing kung fit siya.
Now, it's just to fix the plumbing. You need some mineral spirits.
Okay.
Well, I don't know any.
Mineral spirit.
Dad just took it.
Okay. We need
Napkins, some paintbrushes. I think this is called screwdriver. And wood stain. And we took dark color.
Okay. Right.
Look.
Why not all? Where's the other?
Because the other ones have to have holes drilled in them.
Oh, so you drill it
Before,
first?
But then I want to get the bolts first, so I know what the diameter of the bolt we're going to use.
That is just like a oil.
Like an alcohol.
Alcohol. Oh, you're going to clean it. Mineral spirit.
Yeah, you can join, Ken.
Do you have that?
Yeah.
I cut that one.
I'm just seeing if this paper towel, actually it's not paper towel, it's a fucking shop rack, but seeing if it works very good. Oh, I don't know. See?
And take this one.
I'll mix up the boards now. We want to keep them straight.
Yes, you're doing it. It's color green now.
No.
I'll make it fair. Oh,
Staining.
staining.
Yeah, so
I want to try.
Are you sure that is the next step?
what we're going to do is
Mommy Shine, you have to trust the man. Mommy Shine, I thought you said that's your husband and you would trust him forever.
Of course. Oh, wow. Looks natural. I like it.
yeah,
Wow. Golden, oh.
it's a little bit darker than I expected.
It's just like that, no? Wow. It's just, it looks natural, loves. Looks natural. It seems like this wood. Old.
Yeah, but I don't know that I like that darkness. That's probably pretty dark.
Pretty dark.
Yeah.
So, by the light.
But don't you say, Dad, you want a dark
Don't we
one?
have? I thought we had some.
And then next, kailangan butasan natin yung kahoy para maipasok natin ang screw. So, gagamit si Javi dito ng drill press.
Right now, I'm just fit checking all of the holes that were drilled, just to double check each hole matches. For the final step, we will be preparing the boards so that they can be stained and then polyurethane.
And this is the final product. What do you think? Please like and comment down below. Thank you for watching.